Hi there, it's Chef Isabella with Mansfield ISD Student Nutrition, and today we're going to be playing around with some of the ingredients that you'll receive as part of the free meals that we're distributing this Friday, May 15th, 2020. All right, moms and dads, it's time to get back in the kitchen with your little chef.
Here we're going to start with our ingredients, which include a tortilla, fajita chicken, shredded cheese, and corn. We've placed our tortilla on a baking sheet, and we're going to spread that fajita chicken on the top half of the tortilla. Then we're going to sprinkle the shredded cheese on top. Get in all that cheesy goodness. Now we're going to fold it in half, place it in an oven that's been preheated to 400 degrees, and bake it for approximately 6 to 8 minutes. You'll know it's done when it's golden brown and it's oh so melty. Here's our completed product. Alright, now we've taken our tortilla and placed it on a microwave-safe plate. We're going to put that fajita chicken on a tortilla, sprinkle the cheese on top, fold it in half. There you go. Here we have it in the microwave where we're going to cook it on high for 1 to 2 minutes. And there's our completed product. Next, we have a pan on the stove over medium-high heat. We're spraying it with a little pan spray. Place our tortilla in. Then we're going to sprinkle half the shredded cheese, all the chicken, and just for funsies, a little bit of corn. There we go. Now we're going to do the rest of our shredded cheese, and we're going to allow that to cook for 3 to 4 minutes, just until the tortilla is starting to brown and the cheese is nice and melty. All right. We're going to flip it over and cook it for another 1 to 2 minutes. And here's our completed product for that one. Next, we're going to do a taco and a burrito. So we have our chicken in the microwave on high for 45 seconds. Then we're going to take our heated chicken and put it down the center of our tortilla. Sprinkle our cheese on top. Then we're going to fold the tortilla in half. And now it's ready to be a soft taco. Or we can open it back up, making sure our filling is down the middle, fold the bottom a little bit over, and then roll it up. And now it's a burrito. Whoopsies! Got to get all that filling back in there. Alright, make sure to enjoy it with a salsa cup. Here's our menu where we're serving meals Tuesdays and Fridays from 9 a.m. to 11 a.m. at various locations during the COVID shutdown. Here are the recipes that we discussed today, and I hope you enjoy.